Ready to transform your dull Word documents into eye-catching masterpieces? First, open your Microsoft Word document and click on the Insert tab located at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to all things visual. Now, within the Insert tab, you'll see the Pictures option. Clicking this opens a drop-down menu, presenting you with several choices of where to source your pictures. To insert a picture from your computer, select this device URL. This will open a File Explorer window where you can browse your folders and select the image you want to use. Once you find your image, click on it, then click the Insert button. Great! Your image is now in your document. You'll notice the Picture Format tab has appeared. This tab is your control panel for all things image related. To resize the image, click on it to activate the resizing handles, those small circles on the corners and sides. Click and drag these handles to make the image larger or smaller. Dragging from the corners maintains the image's proportions. To adjust how text flows around the image, click the Wrap Text button within the Picture Format tab here. You can choose options like square, tight, or through to customize how your text interacts with the image. Experiment to see what works best for your document. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily insert and format images in Word, adding visual flair and professionalism to your documents. Now go create something amazing.